Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, today I will present a storytelling. The title is Kakek Bodo Waterfall. Let me introduce myself. My name is Vanya Naula Zita Ramadhani. You can call me Vanya. I'm 13 years old. I'm from SMPN 1 Prigen. Let's go! A long time ago, in a small village, nestled at the foot of the mighty mountain, lived the kind-hearted old man named Kakek Bodo. Despite his age, he was a diligent worker, serving a wealthy Dutch family. Day in and day out, he tirelessly tending to their every need. One day, a profound chance came over Kakek Bodo. He felt a strong calling to leave the world behind and seek spiritual enlightenment. Much to the surprise of his employers, he requested to be released from his duties. With a heavy heart, they agreed. Kakek Bodo ventured deep into the forest, searching for a place of solitude. He wandered for many days until he stumbled upon a hidden valley. In the heart of this valley, he found a breathtaking waterfall cascading down a sheer cliff face. The sight filled him with peace and tranquility. Kakek Bodo decided to make this place his new home. He built a small hut near the waterfall and began to meditate and practice spiritual exercise. Days turned into the weeks, and the weeks into the months. As Kakek Bodo grew closer to nature, he developed a deep connection with the spirit of the forest. It is said that he gained extraordinary power during his time in seclusion. News of Kakek Bodo disappearing spread through the village. Many feared for his safety, while others believed he had become a wise and powerful hermit. When the Dutch family heard that Kakek Bodo had chosen a life of solitude, they were both disappointed and angry. They felt betrayed and mocked his decision, calling him Kakek Bodo, which means foolish old man in Indonesia. Despite their insult, Kakek Bodo remained undisturbed. He continued his spiritual journey, helping those in need whenever he could. It is said that he used the power to protect the village from natural disaster and to heal the sick. When Kakek Bodo finally passed away, he was buried near the waterfall. The villager honored his memory by naming waterfall after him. Over time, the legend Kakek Bodo grew. The waterfall became a sacred place. People believe that the spirit of the Kakek Bodo still resides there, watching over the forest and its inhabitants. Thank you for listening my story. Goodbye, see you.